In this video, we'll talk about concatenating Python strings, formatting them, and escape characters. So let's start with concatenation. So concatenation means to join two or more strings. Okay, so let's write two variables. Let me write strings in both of these variables. So in variable A, let me write Gurmeet Singh, and let me write in B is a computer science expert. Anyways, so I write two variables A and B. Both of these are strings, and then I want to concatenate both of these strings into one. What can I do? So I am creating another variable to store the result. C equals A plus B. That's it. I need to just do this, and the strings will be concatenated, A plus B, but there will not be a space. I'll show you first. Okay, so you can see Gurmeet Singh is a computer science expert, and here you can see there is no space. I can add a space here. Okay, you can see Gurmeet Singh is a computer science expert. So this plus operator, so earlier we were using this plus operator to sum up two integers, two floating point numbers, right? So we were using this to sum up the values, okay, the numerical values. But in case of string, this can be used for concatenation. Okay, so we can concatenate strings like this. Or if I do not want to add space there, I can do like this. This is called multiple string concatenation. So we can concatenate as many strings as we want. Okay, so here I want to show you something else as well. Let me create another string. He scored 9.40 SGPA in BTech, let's say. So here basically SGPA means semester grade point average. Anyways, so here I'm creating another string A plus B plus C, and let's say here I create another variable SGPA, and here I write 9.04, and I am concatenating this exactly here. Okay, so SGPA. Now again I'm doing this one. Okay, so here what I'm doing is I have created a numerical variable 9.04, which is basically a floating point number, right? So here in C I am concatenating this with this he scored SGP and BTech, and then again I'm doing D, this one. Okay, so let me just simply print C for now. Okay, so you will see an error coming up. Okay, so you can read the error. The error is type error, can only concatenate str, not float. So it is saying that this is a floating point number and it can only concatenate two strings, not a floating point number. So what we have to do in that case to fix this error, we have to use the str method. We have studied this in the typecasting video, that we can convert, one possible literal into another type. Okay, so SGPA, floating point, is a valid literal to be converted into string, so we use the str method. Now it will not give error, and it says he scored 9.04 SGPA and BTech. Okay, so this way we can do. Okay, now I sum up A plus B plus C, and let me add a space here as well. Okay, now you can see Gurmeet Singh is a computer science expert. He scored 9.04 SGPA and BTech. Anyways, so this is how you can do string concatenation. So now coming to string formatting. So let's say as my age is 22 now. Yes, I just turned 22 yesterday. And so here I'm writing another string, let's say A, and I'm writing my name is Gurmeet Singh and my age is 22. Okay, so let me print A. I can specify the variable age here. I can simply concatenate age, but again it will give this is a numerical value, it will give the type error, so I have to do like this. Okay, this is what we have learned, how you can concatenate, right? But you can also do string formatting for the same. How? Like here I want to put the age. Okay, so here I can use this curly braces, and then what can I do is I can use a format method on this string. So this is a string and I'm applying a format method, and then as an argument I can pass the variable that I want to fill here. Okay, so I'm passing age. Now you can see it is giving the same result. Okay, let me just make it a little bit more complex. I'm typing my city, okay, then full stop. I am living in my city, which is in India. Okay, here I have to fill my age, and here exactly at the place of these curly braces I have to print the name of my city. I can do like this, age comma city. So you can see my name is Gurmeet Singh and my age is 22. I am living in Ludhiana, which is in India. Okay, so this is how you can do string formatting by using the method format. So in this way you avoid making use of str method. Okay, so this makes pretty much easy for the developer to put in values within string. Either you can put floating point, numerical values, whatever, it doesn't matter. You need not to explicitly convert them using typecasting. Okay, so you understand that the first variable age fills up here, the second variable city fills up here, and what if there are 10, 20 or more variables that you want to fill up in a single string? In that case, it will be quite confusing for the developer to respectively match and arrange, okay, these variables in order. Okay, in that case there is another useful thing, and that is called as f string in Python. So what is f string? Let me just show you with the help of example. So here I just remove this one, and in front of this string at the start I put a character f. Now this becomes a f string, and here I can simply write age, and here I can simply write city. Now I print it. You can see my name is Gurmeet Singh and my age is 22. I am living in Ludhiana, which is in India. So this is again another better method, okay, to avoid making use of the str method based concatenation or even the format method itself. Okay, now let's talk about escape characters. So this is pretty much interesting. So let's say let me write a string. This is Gurmeet Singh's laptop. Okay, let me just write any random string. This is Gurmeet Singh's laptop. Okay, now here, as I told you, I should not use single quotes because it will make the string invalid, as you can see. Okay, if you do not trust me, let me just print. You can see invalid syntax error. Okay, because I am using the single quote to also indicate the start and end of the string, and also using in between. So if here I use double quotes, then there is no issue. Okay, it prints well. This is Gurmeet Singh's laptop. Anyways, but what if I want to make use of single quotes here only and also inside? Then I can use escape characters. Okay, so an escape character is simply the illegal character followed by a backslash that you want to insert in the string. So if I use this single quote in such a string in which starting and ending is also indicated by single quotes, then this is an invalid character for it. Okay, so I can make this invalid character valid by making it an escape character by using backslash. So backslash and escape the character, and then you can see this is Gurmeet Singh's laptop. It prints well. So here the character and the backslash both combined is known as escape character. Okay, so there are also some another escape characters like new line character. So let's say it is brand new. Let's say I write just it is brand new. Okay, so now you can see it prints in the same line. And what if I want to print this line in another line? So what I can do, I can use the escape character for new line, that is backslash n. So you can see it is now printing the second part of the text, this one, in a new line. So this is also escape character. So there are a number of escape characters that you can search online. You can always find anywhere. Okay, so that's all about for this video.